off, they're falling on the plate. That's all you got to do. And they'll be ready for next season. Just take your fingers and just twist gently, and the seeds will fall off on your plate. Well, hello everyone. Today we'll be harvesting mustard green seeds. We'll be harvesting mustard green seeds. And here you'll see, these are mustard greens. They have ran their course. And after they are finishing producing the greens, you will see these yellow flowers come up. Nice, beautiful flowers. And after the flowers come up, you're gonna see seed pods come up. Okay, so these has finished producing the greens for the year. And I'm gonna show you some of the seeds. You see these seed pods here? These are what we'll be harvesting today, but not on this plant. These are the seed pods right here. After the flowers, the seed pods would come. Okay, and when these dry, we're gonna harvest the seeds. So I'm gonna take you over here, and you'll see the seeds that we're gonna harvest today. You see those seeds? They have turned brown, so we're gonna harvest these seeds. You need to harvest them right away because when the wind starts blowing, the seeds can fall on the ground. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. I got my scissors here. Let's see here. Okay, I got my scissors. I'm gonna show you what we normally do. We're gonna cut this off right here and right here, and we're gonna harvest the seeds. So, I'm holding the camera. I'm gonna try to do this, and let's see how I'm gonna do it. Well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut. You normally cut it off just like this. See how that fell to the ground? Okay, we cut that off, and I'm gonna put them in a plate here. And I'm gonna cut another one off for you. This one here. Okay, you got that? So we're gonna take these over here. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Okay, we're gonna take these over here. And take your fingers. See those seeds coming off? They're falling on the plate. That's all you got to do. And they'll be ready for next season. Just take your fingers and just twist gently, and the seeds will fall off on your plate. You have hundreds of seeds for next season. So you want to do this. A couple of days ago we had heavy winds come through. I said about 40 miles per hour winds. So you want to do this when they're dry. Don't wait, otherwise you'll lose your seeds. So it's just fairly easy. So that's all you have to do. Okay, and you have your seeds for next season. So this is a video on harvesting your mustard green seeds. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.